After installing the required extensions, let's focus on the components. In React, basically everything is coded into components. For example, I have a picture of a web page, and this web page includes header, body, and footer, and all these parts are coded into different components. So you have to load the different components into one main file, and that's how React projects are being made. For example, this is our project, and this is our src folder, which includes the source of our projects, and this is index.js, which basically loads your whole project. Let's just remove these lines and let's make our first component. Just create a new file under src. You can name it whatever you want. For example, I want to make a home.jsx component. Note that I put the file format as JSX, and I want to create a functional component because I want to return a simple HTML tag. And here, what I need to do is to import React from React. This is essential. And after that, I write export function home and just return a simple h2 welcome to our series. Okay, this is our home.jsx component, and we want to load that into index.js. So we need to include that. So we write import curly brackets and inside the name of component, because we are loading from the src and from the same directory, we have to include that as well. So from home.jsx, and here we just call it like this. That's it. So go to your terminal. I open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Shift plus backtick. That's the shortcut. And just write npm start. It will take a while, and this is our first component loaded at localhost 3001.